Good morning, dear students. Today we start chapter 3, respiratory system. It is continue, and today's topic is mechanism of breathing and oxygen depth and lactic acid accumulation. So firstly, students, here is the two types of respiration: external respiration and internal respiration or cellular respiration. So external respiration divided into two parts: inspiration or expiration. Firstly, students, we know about the external respiration. So students, the process of external respiration consists of two phases: inspiration and expiration. So we know the inspiration. What is inspiration? So students, it is a process by which air enters into the lungs in the process. Or inspiration, generally 79% nitrogen, 20% oxygen and 0.04% carbon dioxide. Then after expiration, so students, it is a process by which carbon dioxide is exhaled out from the lungs. In the process of expiration, 79% nitrogen, 16% oxygen and 4% carbon dioxide and water vapors are exhaled. Then after, students, we learn about internal respiration and cellular respiration. So students, the internal respiration or cellular respiration is the interchange of gases that occurs between the blood and cells is called cellular respiration. It is also called internal respiration. The oxygenated blood is sent from the blood capillaries of the alveoli to the heart. The heart pumps out that blood to all the parts of the body through arteries. Then students, we learn about our second topic. Second topic is oxygen depth and lactic acid accumulation. So firstly, we know about the meaning of oxygen depth. So oxygen depth means when the demand for oxygen is greater than the greater than the supply. It means that when your body works hard, you breathe a lot of oxygen, but you cannot absorb enough oxygen to cope with the level of activity. It is the state of oxygen depth. Then after, students, lactic acid accumulation. So lactic acid is toxic chemical. Lactic acid is formed due to the lack of sufficient oxygen to release the required energy to the muscles through aerobic respiration. Lactic acid can accumulate in muscles that continue to be overworked. It is accumulated in high quantity. The muscles stopped working until the oxygen supply to muscles has been replenished. So students, I hope you understand properly the topic of mechanism of breathing and the topic of oxygen depth and lactic acid accumulation. So thank you, students. Have a marvelous day.